On a rainy day, you look at the city through fogged-up glass. Lights bloom, outlines melt, and the scene carries its own hazy mood. In Photoshop, this frosted glass look is really 2 layers of information stacked together. 1 layer of blur and 1 layer of texture. Today, we'll build it with 2 filters. And at the end, I'll show you how to wipe handwritten text into the fog. First, prepare a base image. Start with Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate it. All the effects go on the duplicate, keeping the sharp original underneath. So when we wipe later, there's something clear to show through. Next, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. This is the first layer of the fog. Looking through mist, the details are the first thing to go. A higher value makes the effect more obvious. Then go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Distort, Glass. Blur alone just looks out of focus. The glass filter adds the second layer, the bumpy texture of the glass surface. Set distortion to 20 and smoothness to 2. For texture, choose Frosted. Frosted is the grain of ground glass, and the misty feel mostly comes from it. Set scaling to 100%. Add a layer mask. Wherever the mask is painted black, the fog layer gets hidden, and the sharp original underneath shows through. It's the same as wiping a patch on a foggy window with your hand. Paint with a black brush, and that's it. Now, if you want a handwritten text effect, you can start by preparing a text layer. Hold Ctrl or Command and click the layer thumbnail. This step loads the shape of the text as a selection. Turn off the text layer's visibility. All we need is its shape. Whether the layer itself is visible doesn't change the result. Select the blurred base image layer. Add a layer mask. With the selection active, the mask follows the shape of the text. But now, the fog only stays inside the letters, the opposite of what we want. Click Invert, and you're done. Flip the black and white, and the strokes become the wiped away parts. Like someone wrote on the window. With effects like frosted glass, the filters only handle the texture. Whether the image tells a story depends on which part you wipe clean. And the viewer's eye always follows the sharpest part of the frame.